Are you looking for a professional mentorship? If you are building a career in cybersecurity or AI or IT, or even if you are switching from your current career to a new career, you're going to need a professional mentorship. And you cannot depend on those generic roadmap that is available online, because each one should have its own roadmap based on his or her background and the objectives that they want to achieve and the timeline as well. Allow me to introduce you Cyber Mentor, which is a professional mobile app, AI-driven, completely free, that will give you a clear roadmap based on your background and based on your objective as well. So let me show you the tool. The mobile app is available on both Android and iOS, and it's completely free. So when you start the application, you have to create an account first, and then the mobile app will give you 3 different options. What is the career that you want to join, or you want to build your skills to be able or to be qualified to work in this career? We have the cybersecurity, information technology, and artificial intelligence. And because the mobile app is AI driven, so it's frequently updated based on the new skills needed, the new jobs in the market. So let me take the cybersecurity and let me click on next. The first thing the mobile app is doing is evaluating your background. Do you have a technical background or not? Are you okay? Did you came from a business background or a technical background? So it will give you 25 questions, and those questions will let the app decide what will be the more suitable position for you in this field, cybersecurity or AI or IT, and what kind of skills do you need. So I will randomly select any answer on those 25 questions, and I will see what I will get. This actually is making the career path or the roadmap very customized as per your background. As per the answer to my question, he gave me the different cybersecurity jobs that I will be qualified to work on it. And I will select one of them. And once I select this specific job, he will give me my own dashboard. Those are the skills that you need to have. And this is up here is your dashboard. So you can monitor your progress. And here you have all the skills. You have all the professional certificates that you need. You have interview questions that you will get frequently that will help you to enhance your skills. And we also have an option, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, to integrate your account with LinkedIn. So whatever progress you are doing, it will be reflected in your LinkedIn profile. The good thing about the Cyber Mentor, it's not only providing you with the name of the skills, it's providing you with the resources. Because think about it, if I know, for example, to work as a cybersecurity analyst, I need to learn risk management. So if I go and search on YouTube, risk management, you will find tons of video. Which one is more suitable? Which one is related to the cybersecurity job I'm applying for? So the tool is also searching online to give you the proper YouTube videos that will be suitable to this specific skill. So you will have different resources, YouTube video, free articles that you need to read, and it will be very specifically related to the skills. And once you watch the videos or you read this free article or you do whatever, you complete whatever resources the tool provides you, then you can evaluate your skills. So if you feel that you watch the different video provided by the tools, and now you want to see if you really got the skills or not, you're going to click on evaluate, and you will get an exam evaluation only specifically for the skills. And if you pass the exam, it will be reflected here in your dashboard. So you will get to see from the skills, what is your percentage so far. Same go for the certification. If you go to the certificate, and here it will, the good thing is that it will give you the certificate related to this specific job, because you know there is a lot of cybersecurity certificate, and you should not be randomly selecting any certificate. So if you go here to certificate, you can see what certificate do you need to have that will align with this job description. This apply for cybersecurity career and AI career as well. So if I select any of those certificates and I complete the certificate, it will automatically reflect also in my dashboard that from the certificate career path, the certificates that I need to get, I finish that percentage. And same go for the interview as well. So the point here is that it will give you a full career path and a monitoring methodology as well. So you know exactly what needs to be done. And actually you can adjust your timeline as per what kind of skills you need to get. Now, this is not all actually, because you know that it's not only about the skills and about the certificate. You need also to adjust your CV. So people will know your background, and accordingly they will contact you if they feel that you are aligned with the available position. So we also kept here, it's not only that you will build all your skills, but also you will see that whenever you achieve something, you have an option to reflect that in your LinkedIn profile. So you can share your achievement as certificate or skills on your LinkedIn, which means that someone is building your CV while you are preparing yourself. So this is actually the Cyber Mentor from InfoSec for TCU. And we created this application because we noticed that there is a lot of students who are actually facing a problem understanding or getting the mentorship guidance, and they need something very customizable. So the Cyber Mentor is available on Android and iOS, and it's completely free, and it will really help you to have a clear, organized roadmap and career path for your cybersecurity or AI journey.